Hello everyone, welcome to practical session for class 12th. My name is Vimal Mishra. Today we will do one of the good experiment in physics, that is finding the focal length of a convex mirror with the help of a convex lens. We know that convex mirror forms virtual image of an object. It can form a real image if a convex lens is introduced in the path of the incident light on the convex mirror. To do the experiment, I had made an arrangement. I had kept a convex lens and a convex mirror on a position that, suppose convex lens is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter and say concave mirror is placed at a distance of 60 centimeter. So let's place one object so that the image of this object as inverted by the help of the convex lens get again form a real image through the mirror. The image of this object will appear inverted and we have to adjust object needle such that the image of the object needle is just on the tip of the object needle. Clear? So this structure we need to draw. To complete further the experiment, we have to remove the mirror and place another object in place of this mirror, and let's see that how much displacement is made through that. So the second reading required the removal of the mirror from this stand, and instead of the mirror we will put another needle. Okay, so let's try one set of reading here. So suppose lens is placed at a distance, say it's 50, then 51, 52, 52 and half, then 53, 53 and half. The position of the lens is at 53 and half centimeter. So we can note down the reading of that. After that, we have to see the position of the object. Suppose my object is placed at a distance say 40 centimeter, and we have to adjust the apparatus such that the inverted image of the object is on the tip of the object needle and it is inverted image, right? So adjust the apparatus to form a clear image. We have to also remove the parallax along with it. There is a bit parallax, we have to adjust it. The parallax can be adjusted by the lateral motion of the either apparatus. Now we can see that the clear image of an object on the tip of the object needle, real and inverted image. Now let's quickly note down the readings. So first we have to mark the position of an object. So we can see that it is at a place 40 and 2 mm to that side. So it is around 39 point, say 5, then 6, 1, 7, 39.7 centimeter. The position of the lens, we can see here it is 55, then 54, then 53, then 53 and half, and 1 mm before that. So 53 point, say कितना होगा इसमें 50, 51, 52, 53, 53.3. Again the position of the mirror, we can see it from here also. It's 65, then we have 64. So value of the position of the mirror is 64 centimeter. The readings should have been filled in a table like this only. 39.7, then I have 53.3, then position of the mirror is 64. we have to find the position of an image needle. So now again we will remove the mirror and place one needle instead of the mirror, and we will adjust the position of the needle such that the clear, real and inverted image is formed on the tip of the object needle. Adjust the position of the image needle. Now we can see that the parallax is removed. So parallax is removed. Now we need to know the reading of the image. So we can see that it is 80. This one is 85. So 84.5, then 84.6, 84.7. We have 84.8. Note down the reading here. 84.8. The observed MI, that is position of image in mirror. So we can reduce 84 into 84.8 minus 64. The value will be 20.8. So we can also see that the formula F is equal to R by 2. So our value was 20.8 divided by 2. The answer will be 10.4 centimeter. Similar readings can be repeated to find the different values of F. We can also have mean of the F to find the exact values. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe, because we had seen that viewer is more than that of the 5,000 on some videos, but the subscriber number is very less. So do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.